Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and read through the whole text for you guys. But if you first notice here, we have the table of contents. And we blanked out all of the table of contents so you guys can put in the main topics of each section to be the heading for that for that section. So the first section we came up with, which was turtle eggs. A box turtle climbs a rock and slides into a pond. Splash! Turtles are reptiles. Shells cover their backs and bellies. Box turtles live in woodlands and meadows. Females need sandy soil for a nest. They dig many hours to make a nest for their eggs. Females lay 6 to 8 eggs. They cover their eggs with soil. Soil keeps the eggs warm and wet until they hatch. In about 3 months, the turtles hatch. Hatchlings have an egg tooth on their beaks. They use it to break their shells open. Hatchlings can take 2 or 3 days to break their shells. Some hatchlings stay in the nest. Others crawl away to see the world. Hungry young turtles eat during the day. They like worms and slugs. Turtles do not have teeth. They crunch snails and insects with their jaws. In cold weather, turtles cannot find food. They stop eating and their hearts slow down. Many turtles hibernate underground for the winter. Adult box turtles can grow to be 4 to 6 inches, 10 to 15 centimeters long. Many box turtles live to be 50 years old. Male turtles fertilize the eggs. Females look for a safe place to lay their eggs. The life cycle starts again. And this is also stuff that we're going to be learning in science this week, so I'm super excited. I hope you guys liked it.